All right, we're still on page 23, and I'm still listening to Beyonce. I like Beyonce. Anyway, so still on page 23, but I'm gonna show you like a little way to remember horizontal and vertical, and gonna introduce you to two people with very silly names. But here's a way that you can remember horizontal and vertical. So let's write that over here. All right. Got two friends named VUX and HOY. Okay. This will help you remember horizontal and vertical. Now, what does VUX and HOY mean? Just remember VUX and HOY. What do the letters mean? Well, let's look at VUX first. Okay. Okay. I don't like VUX very much. He stole my bike when I was like 11. So we were friends for a while, but we weren't friends after that. All right. So V, what does V stand for? That means vertical. Okay. U means undefined. And that just reminds you that the slope of a vertical line is undefined. And X means the equation of a vertical line is just X equals a number, like X equals 3 or X equals -2. So VUX tells you that a vertical line has an undefined slope and the equation only has an X in it. So that was my friend VUX. Now HOY, okay, HOY, I guess was the friend that I made after VUX stole my bike. But I don't like HOY that much anymore either, because he said something about my second wife that I didn't like very much. So I'm not friends with him anymore either. All right, so H, I guess you guessed it. H stands for horizontal. Okay, and O here reminds you that the slope of a horizontal line is 0. See, that's really a 0. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. And what does the Y stand for? Well, you guessed it. If you see an equation that only has a Y in it, that's horizontal. Okay. So if you go over here and you say, oh, I don't remember Y equals 4, I remember that that's missing a letter. So it's either horizontal or vertical. Well, if you remember Y is in the word HOY, Y is in the word HOY, then you remember, oh, that's a horizontal line. And that is a horizontal line that goes through 4 on the Y axis. Now, if you look at the bottom of the page, there are some challenging questions here. I want you to answer those questions. And then when you answer them, bring them to me and I'll compare them and see if you got them right. So those are some interesting questions that makes you think a little bit that I want you to answer about horizontal and vertical lines.